This is Jeff Phillips. You're watching Meet This Firm. Today we are going to be learning about Safe Harbor LLP in San Francisco. So I want to bring Safe Harbor's managing partner and founder, Chun Wong. Chun, how are you doing today?
Good. Hi, Jeff. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for being here. So, Chun, we go back. I want to tell our audience about your firm. This is a boutique firm in San Francisco. Give us an introduction. Specifically, what kind of work do you do at your firm? What are the clients that you serve? Just tell us about the firm.
Well, sure, Jeff. Be happy to. So you've kind of hit on a point where we're a small boutique firm and we do a lot of technical work. We're a full service firm. We provide tax advisory, tax compliance, and we also do some work with the test, audit it, reviewed, and compile financial statements.
Hmm.
Um, we hold ourselves out more as an advisory firm, and the commodity items are the result of that advisory, such as preparing or filing a tax return and or issuing a report on a U.S. GAAP financial.
Hmm. Hmm. Um, did you found this firm yourself?
I did. I founded this firm probably about 5.5 years ago, and prior to that, I worked at some of the large accounting firms. I've been in this business for 20 something years now, and it was something where I wanted to create a little boutique shop where I could really have some high quality professionals servicing clients, and where clients could come in and get a little bit more of a individualized and attention and some good quality work out of accountants.
I think I would categorize you, John, as a progressive leader inside an accounting firm. I think this is a place where CPAs would really enjoy working, and I want to make sure you talk about why that is. But um, first of all, I know that you're growing, and I know that you're hiring. What kind of recruits, what kind of talent are you looking for?
I would say the structure and the environment that I like to tell potential candidates who want to come to this firm is we provide you with an opportunity. We provide some very um, we provide education and some top-notch education at national seminars and national speakers, and we also have technology that's what I would call best of breed. We're a completely paperless office.
Hmm.
We, all the systems and computer software and accounting software that you have would be from large software providers. It's a very intensive, technologically intensive network of systems that we use for tax prep, for research, and for audit.
So, specifically, who are you trying to hire today?
We're trying, as a growing firm, we our ideal candidate would be somebody who wants to work in an environment that's collegiate. Um, they can work together with their peers in kind of a nurturing environment where it's very challenging, and they have a freedom to kind of determine the path that they want to go, that they want to develop in themselves, and have a firm that really supports that for them, and more with deeds instead of words.
I think that's enticing. I really believe that CPAs who might be at the Big Four or in other organizations are looking for the kind of opportunity you give them. Of course, they're going to have to put in the work, but I think that's the advantage of a small or boutique firm, is it not?
Well, I think so. It's when we work every day, it's we spend so much of our lives in our working environment. It's how do you create an environment with a group of people where it's actually fun to go into work, and you know that you're going to get rewarded for that work, and you don't look at work as work. That's kind of what we want to create on one extent, And that's a partnership. On the one hand, we try to create an environment that's enticing, and the partnership side is the people who work here, the professional staff, they have to want to excel as a professional and utilize the opportunities here at the firm.
I love it. Where in San Francisco are you located?
I'm kind of right in the heart of San Francisco, not in the downtown, but right in the middle of San Francisco on Gary Boulevard and 19th Avenue.
And Chun, are you the kind of firm where the staff work in the office? Is it remote? Do you what does that look like?
We have both, but it's more right now as a smaller firm is more weighed in where people are coming into the office. We do have some remote workers, but they also come in to the office either once or twice a week, or else they come in if they're in another part of the country. They'll come in for a week or two or a couple times a year. I believe remote is great because I don't think talent all resides within a few city blocks of an office. But I also think that human contact is very, very important.
I would agree. And I think you gotta I think you gotta have both. And if it's a all office situation, then you need to have the flexibility to allow people to take care of their lives and get their work done.
That's correct. I believe in that
Mm.
completely. And is how do we make it work? How do we make it work for the firm and for the professional staff that comes here and wants to be a part of the organization? And it really comes down to the effort of both parties.
Yeah, and it's all individual. I mean, there's no one size fits all policy when it comes to designing a flexible work arrangement. Everybody has different needs.
That's correct, and it really comes down to common sense and responsibility. Those are the if you got common sense and you got some responsibility, it's more likely than not it's going to work.
Well, this is just a snippet of what I think Safe Harbor and Chun and his team are all about. I hope if you're watching, you will look at their profile on Accounting Fly, drop a resume. You'll never know if it's a fit for you unless you drop a resume and meet Chun and their fantastic team at this boutique firm in the heart of San Francisco. You can always learn more on Accounting Fly, and we'll also provide access to Safe Harbor's website as well. So, Chun, thank you for being here. Thanks for talking to me today.
Jeff, thank you for taking time, and we definitely look forward to talking to any candidates that would be interested in pursuing a career here.
Let's do it. All right. Thank you for
Thank you.
watching, and bye for now.
Bye.